take another sip. Bourbon commands, the moment drips. Bourbon commands, washing down the sorrow. Bourbon commands that I'll make it to tomorrow. Do you believe in love? Do you believe in second chances? I believe in love. Bourbon commands it. Bourbon commands. I'll stay right here. Bourbon commands. One more year. Bourbon commands that I'll play the song. Bourbon commands I'll sing along. Do you believe in love? Do you believe in second chances? I believe in love. Bourbon commands it. Bourbon commands it. Night is filled with quite a fright. There goes our hope of sleep tonight. 80 degrees below in the frozen north. The police barging for business. Take me to your leader. Then they threw me to the floor, shouting right in my ear, you'll have to come with us. Busted in pajama pants, authority, goody two shoes, brown nose security, 16 hours detained in a holding cell until they finally let me out. And I took the Greyhound bus back home.
This evening, no hell held his breath, like a lost lover, leaving me fresh off a funeral. I had to take a walk, boots burned bliss, as the street grew dim and the southern humidity settled in. My tongue got thirstier, till there was a cigarette speaking the language, holding a flower out with no obvious name yet, and nobody knew what to call it. It walked like a ghost and moved like a sheep. Could I just lit it and let the flame eat? But I gave it a second before I swallowed it, and I heard a voice that whispered, boy, your daddy would be proud. Cigar smoke, crown in his hand, reaching down, saying, look at this big old city you found. Angels at the height and devils on the ground. My, how time flew since that Tennessee dorm room. North Broadway S10 in the fast lane. Some nice folk raised me. But let me put you on. We'll let a little money get along. Pop a few bottles, throw up and take the stage. You gotta eat a piece of the shame and swallow it, 'cause lately there's been nothing on the top shelf that's worth hiding from anybody else. Once you're over the hill, and that voice in my head still tells me, boy, your daddy would be proud. Cigar smoke, crown in his hand, reaching down, saying, look at this big old city you found. Angels at the height and devils on the ground. running for a real bad day, getting that dollar. Boss says you gotta move on, get into a meeting. He don't know what's going on, can't believe the things that he saw in the city. They say that ignorance is bliss, but I wanna be oblivious. Not another dark room, diplomacy. Oh no, 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 no. I don't wanna know. No, I gotta know what you see in me. Come a little closer, let's walk in the city. No, you don't have to talk to me, 'cause it's boring. Did you know I'm a Gemini, two-faced, I ain't gonna lie. You can try and call me out, but you're gonna get another guy and another guy and another guy. Whoa. And without witnesses, a champion without adversary. Victor here without wars, love without opponent, peace without reconciliation. Heal without sickness, a happy man who has never cried, a fulfilled man who has never longed for anything, never known what longing means, never had an ambition. A sad man who has never smiled, has no humor.
never said.
White as a sheet, you should take a seat. We have to talk. It's about the way that you behave. Let's go for a walk. Your charming beauty got you off scot-free, but not with me. Don't expect me to go easy. I don't care if you're guilty or innocent, and I won't listen to apologies and silk. You're out of love. I see you try to make me blind, but I see right through you. You know better than to think that you can play me for a fool. I've got no patience. I know your reputation. I know your reputation. Don't expect me to go easy. I don't care if you're guilty or innocent, and I won't listen to apologies and silk. Threw on these tight jeans, thought I'd go honky-tonk. That's where the night ends. I let my buddies talk. I grab my little dress, I can't go slow. I'm running out the door. I got a long night waiting for me. I don't got time. Baby, get to stepping, get to walking. I got heels on, I need you to rock it. Work my body, cause I can't stop it. The boss doesn't run. Baby, get a running, get a moving. I'm not made for slowly grooving. Make me love you, cause I can't lose it. The boss doesn't run. How'd I get tied up? I got to find a silk all over my body, driving up the guilt. You're working overtime, you can't go slow. You're making time move slow. You got a long night working for me. No, you don't got time. Baby, get a stepping, get a walking. I got heels on, I need you to rock it. Work my body, cause I can't stop it. The boss doesn't run. Baby, get a running, get a moving. I'm not made for steady grooving. Make me love you, cause I can't lose it. The boss doesn't get a stepping, get to walking. I got heels on, I need you to rock it with my body, cause I can't stop it. The boss doesn't rush. Baby, get a running, get a moving. I'm not made for steady grooving. Make me love you, cause I can't lose it. The boss doesn't rush.
Down on down to that old army babe. To lay a wreath upon his grave in the place where we first met. I close my eyes. Then before the war, he was just 24. The man before the war, he was on mine. He was on mine. He came up and said, "Do you like to dance?" I said, "I don't know how," and he took my hand. It was true love, and I just knew that he knew that it was true for him too. The man before the war, he was just 24. The man before the war, he was all mine. He was all mine. And then I opened my eyes, and he was gone. I took the last train back home. Thinking about the man before the war, he was just 24. The man before the war, he was all mine. 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 Them gals wanna jump on me like I'm too cute. Then one says to me, it's not about the boots, your watch, your style, and your whole attitude. But there is one thing we cannot forget, your natural ability to get respect. Tell us now, how did you get to the top? said, gather round, and I will tell you the lie. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise in taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise in taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise in taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise in taking what the teacher said. But I was walking through the forest when I came across a bear. He had a boulder on his shoulder and a look of despair. He said, some folks are fine and they mean me no harm, but some folks are cruel and want my fur for their arm. And what is the cause of my cruel neglect? Their natural inability to give respect. I said, there, don't you worry, fret or cry, just put your paw in mine and I will tell you why. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. About all the folks he met in the forest and the brook. Now his life is great and his days are full of fun, but he always takes the time to tell everyone. He said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said. I said you have to be fair, be cool, be wise and taking what the teacher said.
Power lines crackle above me. As the sky spits in my eye, I look down at the traffic line and I think of your eyes, but I'm not gonna cry. There's no need to cry. I never cry. So why the hell am I leaking? Are they allergic to the sky? Or is this what happens when you stand under power line? Try to stop a storm from passing by. You can't hold a hurricane, that's just what they do. They come through, but they move my territory. There's a gentleman's territory where we stay safe from feeling sorry. But I am so sorry, you were my territory. I didn't want to feel this sorry, but here I am saying I'm sorry for loving you. I loved you. So much for see you soon. It's okay if I never see you again. I don't think I can, because I still see your face when I close my eyes. I still hear your voice when I sleep at night. I still feel your skin, I can still taste your lips. But I need you to know that I'm okay. I swear I'm okay, I'm doing okay. And if I'm not okay, I will be someday. My territory, there's a gentleman's territory where we stay safe from feeling sorry.